Welcome to our channel. Activating your TD Bank credit card by phone is fast and easy. Here's a quick guide to get your card ready. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number provided with your TD Bank credit card. This number is usually on a sticker on your new card or in your welcome materials. Step 2. Call the TD Bank activation phone number from any phone. Have your credit card and identification ready before making the call. Step 3. Listen to the automated prompts when your call connects. Select your preferred language and follow the instructions to activate your card. Step 4. Enter your 16-digit credit card number when the system asks for it. Use your phone's keypad and take your time to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Provide verification information such as your date of birth, social security number, or zip code to confirm your identity. Step 6. Follow any additional prompts from the automated system. You may be asked to create a PIN or agree to the card's terms and conditions. Step 7. Listen for the confirmation message that your TD Bank credit card is now activated. The system will clearly state that your card is ready to use. Step 8. If you need help or have questions, the system may offer to connect you with a customer service representative. Otherwise, you can hang up and start using your activated credit card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.